You finding Faizan Kidwai difficult to believe?
Not at all. Good evening, Navika. Faizan Bhai is a very dear brother, and I am absolutely loving everything that he's saying because it is entirely in keeping with Faizan Bhai becoming a fantastic politician. But he already is, but even more so. But can I just begin by saying that my commiserations to Mr. Saravanan, who's a very dear friend, and I don't feel like laughing like him inside, but I have to say this. I have always been critical of DMK, all its policies, and openly so. But today I stand with DMK. And I'll tell you, and I speak like Shole's Mausi, bhale hi 100 kamiyan ho DMK mein. I know Saravanan might not understand this Hindi, but it's a dialogue from Shole Saravanan. Bhale hi 100 kamiyan ho. But at least to my knowledge, DMK has never indulged in post-poll alliance. Never. I think 1996 was one case, and that too is not very certain because with TMC, the other TMC. But the fact of the matter is, post-poll alliances are immoral. You see, when you go to an election, you go to the voter saying that vote for me, don't vote for the other party. And then after elections, you form an alliance, and every political party has done it. The classic example was BJP in Haryana, and in Maharashtra, of course, you had the Mahavikas Aghadi. So the fact of the matter is, at least kudos to DMK that they have never indulged in post-poll alliance. So I stand with them. That is immoral, and I think Mr. Saravanan should go ahead and not just say backstabbing, just say Congress is being immoral. And of course, you have the other immoral partners of Congress, SP, who are supporting this immoral act. Look, the fact of the matter is, you can give outside support to Vijay. I don't mind that. But when you say we are joining in an alliance with TVK, that means you want a share of the pie that you promise the voters. Vote for us. Don't vote for us and DMK. Don't vote for the corrupt BJP. Don't vote for corrupt AIADMK. Don't vote the corrupt TVK. And now you form alliance with that. So here, much as I have never done so before, this is a red letter day. I stand shoulder to shoulder with Mr. Saravanan.
Well, I don't know. You're talking about morality, politics, morality in the same breath. I'm not so sure we can talk about it. But let me